Hi. So I had to do cleaning. This is Roomba. Okay. So from the day I bought, I'm continuously using it, but I never uh, removed the dustbin. So let's see how to do. This is the first time I'm doing. Uh, let's see. I read the instruction. According to instructions, uh, I have to click here. Then I have to remove. Oh, wow. Wow. You see? Well, this is moving. So that's not good options. I have to remove this first. Then I have to do 1 minute. Okay, I removed from this platform. Now I can click on this. I close this. Close. Okay, it was close. Switch off. No, I don't want. Please switch. I don't want this. Moreover, mine test is here. It will stop. Okay, so I remove this area, and now I have to see. Wow, this is full. So now I have to do cleaning. I have to remove this from here. Yeah, you have seen. Just pushing this part. This one you can open this. Oh my god, it is full. So many things are. So I had to look the dustbin to. Okay. Okay, I'm going to bring my dustbin. Not right. Right now I can. You see, this is full. Or later and I will take it. Oh my god, it is full, 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 full. So I have to remove all this area. Okay, now I have to remove the filter. This is the filter, you see. To clean, revisit the filter also. I can clean the filter also, and this also. Okay, I have to bring brush to clean nicely. This one also, I'm going to bring my brush. So I finished my cleaning here. I use the brush. Now it totally cleaned. Cloths also I used. Now I have to here. That's good. Now close this. Okay, this is closed. should I? No. Okay, this is like this. No need. And now it's time to insert it here. Good. Perfect. So this is the method to do cleaning. I still have to clean this brush, but I will do later on. So today just I had to learn how to empty this dustbin. Okay, so enjoy. Bye bye.